pulled till like 3 in the morning because we had some rain. It was chilly.
Redberg up next to Rank Steve's Moneymaker.
4 Heavies, a modern machine chassis. Gentleman has been an ambassador of the sport, ambassador for brands for many, many years. You look at the archives and a winner numerous times in the modified class, 5 times to his credit. He also keeps digging. He's got several wins in Superstock class as well. So he and his dad very active in the earlier years of the Superstock division before stepping into the modified class.
And he swept the competition at Dodge City Raceway Park, where we'll be going back in a couple weeks to the Wild West NTPA Nationals. Redberg out of Minnesota.